bench crossover knee tucks. Okay, so to perform this exercise, what you'll need is a flat bench first. And then next, to get your body set up, is we're gonna want our hands in about shoulder width position, okay? All right, so from here, put your hands on the edge of the bench, and then we wanna kick your feet nice and far back. Make sure your back is at like a slant. It's not bowing in, but it's not bowing up. We gotta have it perfect, like a ramp, okay? All right, so this is where I want it right here. So from here, I'm gonna take my left knee and I'm gonna bring it to my right elbow. Bam. And as I do so, I'm gonna contract that left oblique. Now I'm gonna take the right to the left side. You notice how I'm leaning my body forward as I bring that knee in. That's how you get a full ab contraction when you're doing any sort of knee tuck or anything where you're bringing your knee in or your leg up. You got to lean that body a little bit forward, and that's how you get that full contraction on the core. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy it.